Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH, your YouTube channel where we solve problems on math, covering different topics. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Feel free to pause the video and attend the question and come back to this video. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board here. It's a bit advanced and you have to look into the problem very well before you are, being able to attempt it. All right, so most times when you have questions like this, most people will want to do what? Square both sides because you're seeing what? The square root signs. All right, but I'm going to use another approach to solve this with ease. We have about three approaches, but today I'm just going to use one. All right, so what I want to do, our solution, I have square root m plus what? Square root m minus 11 is equals to 11. So the first thing I want to do is I want to take this to the side by subtracting what? Square root m minus 11. So we are also going to what? Subtract square root what? Minus 11. So what we have here is square root m. So plus this minus this is what? Going to give us 0. So this is equal to 11 minus what? Square root m minus what? 11. So this is our first step. So square root m plus 0 will give us square root m, which is equal to 11 minus square root what? M minus 11. All right, so from this point, what are we going to do? What's our next step? Yeah, so from this, I can now be able to, square both sides. So we'll say square both sides. All right, so if I'm to square both sides, it means I'm going to square this and I'm going to square this. All right, so this square means what? Root m multiplied by what? Root m. And this square means 11 minus square root m minus 11, okay, multiplied by 11 minus square root what? M minus 11, okay. So let's see what squaring it is going to give us. So square root m times square root m is going to give us n, okay. Applying the principle of surd. If you have square root a times square root a, this means a raised to power half times a raised to power half, which means a raised to power. You apply the addition law of indices or the multiplication law, you have half plus half, which will give us a raised to power 1. All right. So this gives us m raised to power 1. Now for this, I have 11. We multiply this, so 11 we multiply 11 minus square root m minus 11. And minus this, we multiply this, so minus square root m minus 11. We multiply 11 minus square root m minus 11. Let's see what this gives us. So we have our n here. So this time this, of course, 11 times 11 is 121. 11 times minus this will give us minus 11 square root m minus 11. Now, minus square root m minus 11 times 11 will give us minus 11 square root m minus 11. Now, minus times minus is plus. Now, this time this is going to give us what? It's going to give us m minus 11. So that's what we have out there. So our m is equals to 121. Now, if we look at this, we can work on this part, minus 11 square root m minus 11 and minus 11 square root m minus 11 is going to give us minus what? We are going to add these two, which is 22 square root m minus 11. So we have this as plus what? M minus what? 11. All right, so let's simplify further to see what we are going to get. So I have from this, I have m is equals to 121 minus 22 square root m minus 11. We are going to open this bracket, so that will give us plus m minus what? 11. All right, let's see what we are going to get. Now I can decide to remove m from both sides. Okay, so if I should remove m from both sides, let's see what we're going to get. So this is minus m and this is minus m. So here I'm going to get 0 is equals to 121 minus 22 into m minus 11. This is 0, so plus 0 minus 11. So 0 minus 11 is going to give us, so 0 is equals to 121 minus 22 square root m minus 11, and this is going to give us minus 11. All right, so from this, I would like to bring this and this to this side. But before we do that, let's see what 121 minus 11 will give us. So I have 0 here is equals to 121. I'm going to bring this close, so minus 11 minus 22 square root of m minus 11. All right. So, I have 0 is equals to, now 121 minus 11 is going to be 0, this is 1, and this is what? 1. So this minus this is 110, okay, minus what? We have 22 square root of what? M minus 11. All right, so from this, I can add plus 22 into square root m minus 11, okay, to both sides. So I'm also going to add it here. So I have here as what? Plus 22 into square root m minus 11. All right, so 0 plus this is going to give me what? 22 square root what? M minus 11. Now we have here as what? 110 minus 22 square root m minus 11 plus this is going to give us plus 0. Okay, so from this I have 22 square root m minus 11 is equals to 110. Now what do we do? I can divide here by 22 and I can also divide here by 22. So these will cancel out. This is 1, 1. Okay. So we are left with what? Square root what? M minus 11 is equals to 110 divided by 23. Now I can see that 11 can go into this is 2, 11 into this is 10. 2 into this is 1, 3 into this is what? 5. We have 5 over 1 there. Alright. So from this, I have that square root m minus 11 is equals to 5. Now from this, how do we find m? Because we have to solve this, it means we have to solve for the value of m. So it means I'm going to what? Square both sides. So if I square both sides, this will take out this. So I'm left with m minus 11, which is equals to 5 square means 5 times 5, which is equals to what? 25. So we have m minus 11 is equals to 25. All right, from this, we have a very simple equation. And from that simple equation, we are going to arrive at our answer. So if we have m minus 11 is equals to 25, I want to add 11 here. I also want to add 11 here. So this is m minus 11 plus 11 is what? 0. And if we add this, 5 plus 1 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3. So m plus 0 is equals to what? M. So our m is equals to 36. So this gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Do well to share this video to somebody who may be of help. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.